Alright guys, so the wait is finally over. Finally received my DSG arms complete 16-inch 5.56 upper. This was the Black Friday special they had going for $399. It's a collaboration with Seekins Precision and DSG Arms. If I'm correct, Seekins Precision are the ones that put this complete upper together. And let me show you how it was shipped pretty nicely in this box right here. Got some bubble wrapping, came with a DSG arm sticker, patch, pretty cool, and a sample of frog glue. It's kind of nice. Let's take a look at the upper. The DSG logo there. Seekins on the rail. It's got a 16-inch 4140 black nitride coated chrome moly steel barrel, 1 in 8 twist. Seekins Precision MCSR rail, 15 inches, key mod. It's also got some QD push button points as well. I think there's 6 of them. Let's see. What else? It's got Seekins adjustable gas block too. I forgot about that. Which is kind of cool. I mean, I honestly really like the look of this upper. It's pretty unique to what else you're getting for this price. It's pretty unbeatable. It did take a while to get though. I think right around 4 months is how long I had to wait. That Black Friday special I ordered on November 30th, I believe. A2 flash hider, standard. It's got the DSG upper receiver. Take a look at the bolt carrier. Mil-spec bolt carrier group. Staking. MP tested bolt. I'm honestly really satisfied with this purchase. Even though I had to wait that long to get it, I mean, you can't really beat the price for what you get. I think it's $405 shipped. I'll go ahead and put the lower on, see how it looks. So here it is on my Palmetto State Armory lower. I also purchased this on Black Friday. Didn't take as long to receive, but got the Magpul grip, stock, Magpul sling plate. I think it looks pretty good. Picked up the lower for $180, I believe, on Black Friday. Pretty good deal. It's my first AR that I've purchased. AR build, I guess you can say. Not really a build, but yeah. Also got what I'm going to be putting on it, some just Magpul Embus sights. Sling attachment right here for the rail. And then I recently just got this BCM. It's the kinesthetic angled grip. Will go on the bottom of the key mod rail. So since I waited so long, I had to wait so long, I had some time to think about the accessories I wanted. I think it'll work pretty well. I'll do a review of this later once I gave it some use. Rail's also free floating, which is pretty cool. Will help with accuracy. But I'm gonna try getting into the range later this week and do a little video of the first shots, see how well it runs, and give you an update later. But yep, there's the DSG arms, 16-inch complete upper, 5.56.